Look what's just come from the Craft Rum Club. So I'm gonna be like a little teenage girl and do an unboxing video of my first ever subscription of the Craft Rum Club. Don't know what I'm gonna get. This one here, I think I got 10% off the first one. It's gonna come every single month. And yeah, let's see what we've got when you do a rum subscription. I'm very excited. Well, first off, I've got Rumspiration, a magazine about rum. Can't go wrong with that. Flick through that later. Some oranges, some dried oranges. Let's see what else. Double Dutch ginger beer. Another Double Dutch ginger beer. Ooh. A tiny bottle of Angostura. Oh, that looks good. Next, oh, Easter's coming. Got some popcorn, chocolate trio bunny mix, 120 calories. Now, not even heard of this one. Karasimbi spice rum. It's a new one for me, so look forward to tasting that one as well. So yes, and this here, just had a closer look. So this is Angostura. I was probably saying that wrong, but it makes 2 drinks and it enhances drinks. It's like a bitter, so used for cocktails and other drinks. So we'll have a look at that one as well. So for my £33, and it's probably going to be £40 a month going on, this is what you get. So thank you, and I can't wait to try some.